Every once in a while, a product comes into your life that you wonder how you ever lived without it. And that is what this slice is for me. I bought it initially thinking that it could be useful. What I discovered instead was that this is the most used thing in my house currently. I use it more than scissors. I get a lot of packages every day, no matter what I'm opening. Groceries, if I'm opening a package in the kitchen, besides just mail. I use it for everything, and even my husband reaches for it. Here are the main features that I love about it. It's a pink. What's not to love? This is perfect for hanging up, and here's where we keep it. That way, no matter which part of the house we're in, we can just go and grab it off of there. Everyone knows where it is, including my husband. It has this little safety feature of this little open and close thing. That way you never have to worry about a kid grabbing it and hurting themselves if it's closed. And you can't just push it. So it's almost a child lock. You have to push in and slide up. So a little bit of a safety mechanism there to protect the little ones. If you touch it, it's not even sharp. I mean, obviously if you're gonna go, but I mean, if you just touch it like this, I'm not jamming my hand in it. But if you just barely touch it, it's not that sharp. If you barely touch it, yeah, it's obviously sharp enough to cut everything. What I'm curious about, and I guess we'll see in the coming months, does it lose its sharpness? At some point, does the blade need to be replaced? I don't have the answers to these questions. What I can say is that I've had this for about 6 months. It is just as good as the day I bought it. I don't have a negative thing to say about this because it's changed my life. Yes, the slicer has changed my life. Her name is actually Penelope. She needs a name, and see, it's the letter P. Well, I don't know, but Penelope, because it's a letter P, or maybe it's that way, it's a P. Regardless, phenomenal. If you don't have a box opener that you love, get this. The blade is ceramic, so I don't know how long ceramic blades last, but the reason I was drawn to it is because I have ceramic pans. I'll link that video for you right there. I figured if my ceramic pans, one of my favorite things in my kitchen, are this great, maybe a ceramic knife would also be great. And I was not disappointed. I know you want to see what's in here, but you're gonna have to subscribe. If you get a lot of packages, if you don't have the dexterity or strength to open boxes, which is what I've always done, I just don't feel like always doing that, then I recommend something like this, especially if you have limited mobility, arthritis, not a lot of strength in your hands. You need this in your life. Tell me in the comments how many packages you get a day. I get about 7. Is that too much? Is that too many? But I also have a really large family and a whole bunch of pets, so maybe that's normal for a family of our size.